जैविक विविधतायेचो आंतरराष्ट्रीय दीस हो राष्ट्रीय पावण्यार जावपाचो आसा तो ह्या वर्सा गोंयांत जातलो। हो उत्सव पर्यावरण मंत्रालय, राष्ट्रीय जैव विविधता प्राधिकरण, भारत सरकार, गोंय सरकार आणि गोंय राज्य जैव विविधता मंडळ हांच्या संयुक्त जोडपालवान 22 मायाक गोंयांत जावपाचो आसा। ही कार्यावळ कला अकादमीत दीनानाथ मंगेशकार सभाघरांत जातली। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
The National Celebration of International Day for Biodiversity 2017 is going to happen in Goa this year. Every year we celebrate actually International Day for Biodiversity from the state of Goa. All the other states celebrate. But this is for the first time that national celebration is happening in Goa. The theme of this year's International Day for Biodiversity is sustainable tourism. Biodiversity and sustainable tourism. Perhaps that is the reason that the center is celebrating this day in Goa. And a lot of competitions are being held by the state of Goa as well as by the central government in this regard. The reason we are here with Photojournalists Association of Goa is they are our partners in organizing the photo competition in Goa, photography competition in Goa. So we are organizing photography competition for the environment lovers, nature lovers, wildlife lovers, all these experts and general public in Goa in association with Photojournalists Association of Goa. In addition to this, we are also organizing the skit competition, Pathanatya asta pay tashi spardha. Then we are having elocution competition and also we have the poster competition. All the rules, regulations, everything is available on our website. And today we are also giving this brochure to all the media so that you can give wide coverage to this. And every year we long for large participation. There are good prizes for this. Skit competition first prize is 10,000. Elocution competition first prize is 5,000 and 3,000. Then poster competition also 5,000, 7,000. These are the prize categories. Mostly we are trying to have it in 2 categories except for the skit. All others will be in 2 categories, first 3 prizes. And photographic competition in addition to what we are doing in state will be also held in the national level, and all those details will be available on our website. So we request all of you to spread a word, and we request all the environmental lovers, all the biodiversity management committee members, the institutes, the government departments who are working with biodiversity. We will be also having over 30 stalls during the celebration. Celebration will happen at Kala Academy on 22nd.